What's up, world? It's your boy Joe Jack back with another unboxing video. Well, this is just a recent pickup from the mall from Foot Action, and I got an unboxing. We're gonna get straight into it. Air Max 1, nice, dope colorway. It was general release. It wasn't hard to get or nothing like that. I fuck with the general releases. Super duper comfortable. If you don't have any Air Max in your collection, like, you're tripping. Super comfortable, and it's like a clean, crisp colorway. It kind of reminds you of the green glow forward. That's what it reminds me of. The gray upper, white swoosh with that green, white midsole. Super duper dope shoe. Just another pickup to add to the collection. Got the Retro 4 box. What's in here? Let's find out. You guessed it, Travis Scott 4s. This is a super dope colorway. I'm not into all of the hype. You know, I pretty much buy what I buy. I rock what I like. I definitely like this shoe. I really wasn't a big fan of the ones. A lot of people went crazy over the ones. The resale is ridiculous, but I definitely like these, and I kind of been waiting for them to go down in price a little bit. I didn't get them for retail, but I still wanted them to add to the collection. And it's a super dope shoe, man. The quality is definitely there. The Carolina blue with the red lining, that's super dope. Size 11, of course. I'm a true 11 and a half in like running shoes. Got the Jumpman on the back. This one got the Cactus Jack on the back. This is a super dope shoe. Something to add to the collection. This is what they call heat. But to me, like, anything in my collection is heat to me. Like, I like what I like. You know, I don't go with what everybody else is doing. I rock what I like. This is definitely a dope shoe. Shout out to the collab period. Like, all the entertainers and rappers and artists, like, with the collaborations, the designers, like, I'm for it. Like, I like the, you know, just put a different spin on the shoe game. So shout out to Travis Scott and Jordan for teaming up on this one. Just to give y'all something to compare them to, I got another pair of Retro 4s right here, Thunder 4s. And this feels like the quality of the shoe. Like, you can definitely tell the quality of the shoe is like totally different. This feels like clouds. I mean, like, this is super duper soft. Okay, next up we got our second box. This is heat. I can't even lie, like, the package, I can barely even touch the package. Like, this is definitely heat. This is a shoe that I've been having my eye on for a couple years now. Got the Jordan box. Size 11, my size. This is a dope shoe. The Dorenbecher 8. Dope color. Is just everything about this shoe, like the story behind it. If you're not familiar with Doernbecher, it's a hospital in Oregon. Pretty much, it's like a children's hospital in Oregon. They let kids design their own tennis shoe, which they teamed up with Nike and Jordan brand, and, you know, they was able to design their own tennis shoe. I mean, the whole storyline behind it is dope. You know, I got a big heart, so shout out to, you know, Nike and Jordan brand for the collaboration. This is a dope shoe. I've been wanting this shoe for a long time, and I was finally able to get it. Dead stock, of course. Just something to add to the collection, you know. Trying to figure out how I'm gonna put it together. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. I think I got a hat too. Got the Cardinal hat to go with the Travis Scott 4s. Follow me on Instagram, see how I'm gonna put that together. Dope color. Big Cardinals fan. I'm a fan of the Ace. The Ace is one of my favorite silhouettes anyway, so just shout out to the creator, Caden Lampert, age 10. Shout out to you. They got the 14 on there, Brave on the side, dope sole. It's a dope shoe, man. This is heat. These two shoes right here, definitely heat. This is definitely in the starting lineup as far as my collection goes. So there you have it, Joe Jack unboxing video. If you like my videos, make sure you subscribe, hit the notification. Follow me on Instagram at joejack23. Let me know what you think. I'll need feedback, positive or negative. Like, let me know if y'all want more videos from me. If you want the entire sneaker collection video, that's a pain trying to make a whole sneaker collection video, but I will definitely do it if y'all want to see it. Let me know what's y'all favorite. I know these probably coming in third, but out of the whole three, let me know what y'all like, what's y'all favorite. Well, let me know what's in y'all's collection, what y'all rocking. You know, let me know. Thank you for watching my video. Like, comment, subscribe. We out.